This is an example of a Morse code program on the Raspberry Pi for lab number 10 of the Comp 170 class. First, we'll take a look at the breadboard with the button hooked up for entering Morse code. Now we'll take a look at the code for this program, and here I'm connected remotely to the Raspberry Pi. So we'll look at the Python code. Here's page 1 and page 2. Now we'll go ahead and run the program, and I've got the button here next to me for entering the Morse code. Now the long pauses are spaces between words, and the shorter pauses are spaces between letters. So there's space between letters, and there's a space between words. Another space between words. And now holding down the button for 4 seconds to end the program and translate the line. And there it is with a special message. Lab 10, Morse code.